welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy Ninja Foodi cookies and cream cake. This can be made gluten-free and it's going to be made in your Ninja Foodi Multi-Cooker. So you do need to have the steam bake function on your cooker. So the things you'll need for your ingredients are 1 box of Pillsbury white cake mix, or you can use gluten-free, 14 crushed Oreos. If you need gluten-free, use the gluten-free Oreos. Half a cup of mini chocolate chips, 3 large eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, along with 1 cup of water, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you'll need 3 additional cups of water for the pot of the Ninja Foodi. Whenever we use the steam bake function, we do need some water in the pot of the Ninja Foodi to create the steam. So that is going to be all you need for this recipe. So the first thing we are going to do is go ahead and get a medium-sized bowl and combine your cake mix, Oreos, and chocolate chips. Just use a wooden spoon and mix this up so that the chocolate chips and the Oreos are nicely distributed all throughout the cake mix. So once you have that done, you can go ahead and add in your wet ingredients. This will be your egg, water, and vanilla. So it's best to do this by hand so you don't overmix, but you can use a stand mixer. You just don't want to overmix it. I'm using a Danish dough mixer here, or dough whisk, and this helps it just get combined without getting stuck in the whisk. So once you've got that done, you're going to go ahead and pour it into the pan that you prepared. So I'm getting all of that ready. I'm using a Ninja pan in here, and the one that I prepared, I prefer the normal regular cake pans, which is what you'll see in some of the pictures here. So I'm getting that all ready, and then we're going to go ahead and put this on the wire rack, and you're going to put it in the lowest position. Now before you put it into the pot of the Ninja Foodi, go ahead and add those 3 cups of water to your gray pot of the Ninja Foodi. Then you'll go ahead and place the cake on into the pot, and you'll make sure it's on the lowest position on the wire rack. Once this is done, you can go ahead and get your lid all secured, and now you're going to use the steam bake function. So first you will go to steam crisp, then you'll turn the knob to steam bake, and you're going to cook this at 280 degrees Fahrenheit for 36 minutes. Now using this particular cooking method, you can use the valve. The valve can be either open or closed. It doesn't matter whenever using the steam crisp or steam bake. So that is what we're going to do here, and we've got it all cooking. Now once it's done, you're going to carefully remove it and place it onto a wire rack to cool. After about 5 minutes, you can loosen the cake and flip it out of the cake pan right onto the cooling rack. Now we like to let this sit for a good 20 minutes or so before frosting it. I'm just going to use basic vanilla frosting here and then add crushed Oreos all around the cake. You can even mix the Oreos into your vanilla frosting and make like a cookies and cream frosting. Whatever you want to do here, it's totally up to you. So once I have that all done, we are ready to serve. So this is a very easy way to make a quick cake in your Ninja Foodi instead of using the oven. It's just a good alternative. So this is Ninja Foodi Cookies and Cream Cake, and you can find the full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in today.